Hello friends! Do you know that India has special symbols that represent our country's pride, culture and values? Let's explore them one by one. 1. National Flag, Tiranga. Tiranga means three colors. It has saffron, white and green stripes with a blue Ashoka chakra in the center. Stands for freedom, peace and growth of India. Adopted on July 22, 1947 before independence. 2. National Animal, Tiger. Known as Panthera tigris, strong and majestic. Symbolizes strength, courage, and power. India has more than half the world's tigers. Found in forests, grasslands, and national parks. 3. National Anthem, Jana, Gana. Written by Rabindranath Tagore. First sung in 1911 at the Indian National Congress session. Has 5 stanzas, but only the first is the anthem. Fills hearts with pride and unity. 4. National Bird, Peacock. Scientific name Pavo cristatus. Known for its beautiful, colorful feathers. Symbol of grace, beauty, and pride. Seen in many Indian myths and royal stories. 5. National Emblem, Lion, capital of Ashoka. For lion standing back to back on a pillar. Below them are a horse, bull, elephant, and lion with wheels. Symbolizes courage, truth, and peace. Adopted as the emblem on January 26, 1950. 6. National Flower, Lotus. Pink aquatic flower of the Nymphaea family. Grows in water but stays pure and clean. Symbol of purity, beauty, and spirituality. Seen in Indian art, culture, and temples. 7. National Fruit, Mango. Called the king of fruits in India. Sweet, juicy, and loved in summer. Raw mangoes are used for pickles and chutneys. Native to India and widely grown in tropical areas. 8. National Game, Hockey. India's national game since the early 1900s. Won 6 Olympic gold medals from 1928 to 1956. Fast game played with a stick and ball, symbol of team spirit and skill. 9. National Pledge. A promise to be loyal and true to our country. Teaches unity, peace, and respect for all. Recited by children in schools daily. Inspires responsibility and patriotism. 10. National Song, Vande Mataram. Written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. First appeared in his novel An and Mut. Inspired freedom fighters with love for motherland. Means I praise thee, mother. 11. National Currency Symbol. It shows India's identity in global money transactions and economic strength. The design mixes Devanagari Ra and Roman R with 2 lines symbolizing the flag and equality. It was adopted on the 15th of July, 2010 by the Government of India. The symbol was created by Uday Kumar, chosen through a national competition. 12. National Tree, Banyan tree. Loved for its size, longevity, and cultural importance, it's truly India's tree of life. Grows huge with branches that form new roots. Can live for hundreds of years. Symbol of immortality and shelter. These symbols are not just objects, they carry the soul of India. They remind us of our history, culture, and values every day. Remember them, respect them. Jai Hind.